Hi, friends! Today, someone visits us on a school bus. This is also a colorful puzzle. Look, it has numbers on the surface. Oh no! All the puzzle pieces and animals inside are gone. Let's draw the animals and get the bus back. Check this out. The first one has a long face and a long body. Its back is all covered with little bumps that work like armor. It has cute short legs, but don't get fooled by it, because this guy has sharp teeth too. Its body is green, like plants and muddy waters where it lives. It can hide underwater so well that you can see just the eyes on the top of its head. It is a great swimmer and uses its tail like a paddle. From far away, it can look like a floating log in the water. It would always win at hide and seek. Also, its skin is rough and bumpy. It feels like a road made of stones. So, who is it? This is a crocodile. Crocodiles prefer living in warm rivers, lakes, and swamps. But they enjoy sunbathing on riverbanks too. They move slowly in water and prefer hiding. And their superpower is to stay completely still while waiting for prey. What number does this crocodile remind you of? Check out this shape. It looks like the number 1. Look! The first puzzle piece is here! Where shall we place it? Let's see! Oh no, it's harder than it seems. Well, we'll save it for later then. And now, we draw the next animal. Who is this gonna be? It has a long, wiggly body, a small head, and a long tail. Its skin has pretty spots or patterns. Let's make this guy stand out even more with bright red color. What color should we use for the spots? Let's do orange. It's a nice match. Its long body makes waves as it moves. Try wiggling your body left and right and see how it works. So, who is this animal? This is a snake. Snakes live in forests, deserts, fields, and near water. Some snakes are good swimmers and can move in rivers or lakes too. They are quiet and love to hide. Now, look at this snake. What number does it look like? It has a wiggling shape with a tail below. Just like the number 2. Yay! We've got the second puzzle piece. I'll put it aside for now. Alright, who is the next animal? It has a wide nose with small, round nostrils. Its body is covered with short fur that can look a little messy, like a fluffy brush. It is usually brown and golden. We'll use these colors too. It also has small ears that look like little bumps on its head. Check out the chubby cheeks too. This guy is cute as a button. And when it sits, it can look like a fluffy brown loaf of bread. Isn't it cute? Do you know who it is? This is a capybara. They have small toes with webbing, so that they can swim like little water explorers. Can you see what number this capybara looks like? It has 2 wavy shapes. This is number 3. All right, we've got the third puzzle piece. Great! Let's see what the next animal looks like. It has a beak, a feather-covered body, and wings. What kind of animal is it? Definitely a bird. And it looks good in pink. It has a long neck and big, curious eyes. And just look at these long, thin legs. It looks like it walks on sticks. And it has nice balancing skills too. Who is it? This is a flamingo. Flamingos spend a lot of time in water with their families. And both parents help feed their chicks with special milk from their bodies. Let's see what number this flamingo looks like. Check out this position. It looks like a chair with a tall back and a leg. This is the number 4. Well done! And we've got the 4th piece. The next animal has a long face, a mane, and a strong neck. It tries to trick us with this wavy shape. You need to show your detective skills to solve this mystery. Take a closer look at it. What am I drawing right now? Right! These are stripes. They cover this animal's whole body. It looks like it loves wearing black and white. Guess who it is? This is a zebra. Zebras look like horses, and they live in open lands in Africa. And what number is hidden in this zebra's shape? Let's find out. It looks like a little hook with a round belly. This is the number 5. Where is our reward? And this is the 5th puzzle piece. The next animal is so fun to draw. It has a very small face on a long neck, a round belly, and very long limbs. It has a cute face that always looks sleepy. Just look at it. This guy seems so soft and fluffy and huggable. It has beige-grayish fur that gives this animal even more cozy vibes. Have you noticed the big claws already? Well, they might look a bit scary, but this guy uses them just to hang on the trees and grab food. It's a very calm animal. So, who is it? This is a sloth, and it's quite a lazy fella. Sloths spend most of their time just resting and eating. They move very slowly, which made them famous. So, what number does this sloth look like? It seems like a curly loop with a tail on top. Correct. This is the number 6. And here's the 6th piece. Well done, guys! Let's keep going. This animal has a long, horse-like face and a long, elegant neck. Check out its legs. They look like 4 strong sticks. Its body is covered with patches of light fur. They look like a puzzle or a cracked pattern. The head is so small in comparison to its body. If you look closely, it has 2 tiny horn-like bumps on top. Also, this animal has a long tongue, and it can reach its own ears to clean them. The spots are brown, while its body is orange or yellow. Do you know this animal? This is a giraffe. Giraffes have to spread their legs to drink water. They eat leaves from tall trees using their long necks. They live in groups and care about each other's babies. Now, let's guess what number our giraffe looks like. It reminds me of a little roof with a slide. This is the number 7. We've got the 7th puzzle piece. Hooray! What does the new animal look like? Let's find out. It has a big round body with smooth skin. It has a huge mouth but small ears and eyes. Its legs are short but very strong with big toes for walking in mud. This purple color really suits this guy. It looks a bit like a swimming circle, which makes it even cuter. I also love the big teeth peeking from its mouth. They look like chunky blocks. And a pink belly finishes the look. Who is this animal? This is a hippo. It looks like a huge hairless guinea pig. Hippos spend most of the day resting together in water to stay cool. They come out at night to walk on land and eat grass. One hippo can eat about 30 kilograms of food, which is the weight of a big dog. All right, what number do you see here? It consists of 2 round shapes. This is the number 8. And we've got the 8th piece. Awesome. The next animal here is a powerful wildcat. It has a big mouth with a sharp, toothy smile. It also has a thick mane around its head that looks like a crown. Its body is strong and built for running fast. The paws are large with hidden, sharp claws, and its tail is long with a dark, fluffy tip. This animal has yellow, golden fur that helps it hide in the sandy, hot places where it lives. From the outside, it may look a bit scary. When it walks, it looks calm and very powerful. But inside, it's still a goofy big cat that loves to play. So, who is it? This is a lion that lives in the savannah. Lion cubs act just like kittens and are always ready for mischief. A lion is called the king of the animals because very few can match its strength. Well, let's guess which number is hidden here. It seems like a balloon on a string. This is the number 9. And here is the 9th puzzle piece. Great! Only one more is left. Here is the last animal for today. And I've prepared a surprise for you. This animal hides a number with not one, but 2 symbols. Let's take a closer look here. It has a very big body, like a moving hill. It has wrinkled skin, a long nose, and big, wide ears. You see one ear right here. Its main color is gray, but we color it blue just for fun. And the inner ear will be pink. Who is this animal? This is an elephant. It's a very calm and gentle giant. It's as big as a bus and can weigh as much as several cars. Elephants have a good memory and can remember you for many years. Okay, what number is hidden here? Watch me. The first digit is 1. And what is the second one? It looks like a circle. A 0. This is the number 10. The 10th puzzle piece is found. So let's start assembling. This is 1. It's a front piece with a driver inside. Next is 2. We place it right under the first piece. Then goes 3. It's one of the wheels. Here comes 4. It's where the folding doors are. This is 5. It's the lower part of the doors. This is 6. Here is a window with a hippo looking outside. Next is 7 with a bright yellow panel. Then comes 8 with fox and bear passengers. This is 9. See the back red lights here? And this is 10. It's a wheel too. And the bus is completely fixed. Look, we've got a real school bus here. Friends, you were amazing today. And thanks for the play date.